me. I've got a package, I've got a package, I've got a package, yes I do, woo! Well, I've got lots of packages, actually. Hello, lady.
What's all this?
I got packages.
I see that.
Want to help me open them?
Sure.
Okay, grab the stabby poke.
Alrighty.
Okay. She's opening the box.
I see it's from Five Below.
It is.
Mini brands? Oh,
Yeah.
she does like the mini brands.
Yes, I do. Hiya.
Oh my goodness. Oh goodness, it's a mini brand advent calendar.
Yeah. So this will be our first advent calendar for our Cheesemas, Winemas, Christmas Spectacular.
Yes. We're gonna have lots of
Yes.
things.
Be prepared for December, everybody.
There'll be lots to open.
Yeah. You ready to see what else we got?
Oh my good. Guess what? More stitches.
He's got sushi. And he's got scrub.
French fries.
He's got French Fruitles.
And watermelon.
And watermelon. And what else are these, Mama?
Oh, lots of durables. Okay, this is series 10.
Yep, that's a Series 10 mini peek.
One.
We've got a Let's Go Doorables. This is Series 1. This is a luggage pack.
Here's another
Luggage pack.
luggage pack.
Another luggage
I
pack.
don't think we ever did series 1, did we?
Yes, we did. We had a special edition one, and that's the only one we've ever done of Series 1.
So we have.
And then we've got 4 of these.
No, we've got 5.
5 of these.
5 of those. And
Yeah.
5 of the. Oh, that's fun.
So that is one box that I can yeet.
Yes.
Yeet! Bye. So yeah, give us 1 minute while we go on to the next box. All right, Mama, what's inside?
It's from Box Lunch. So we have Stitch.
This is Stitch in costume.
More Stitch.
Maybe we'll get some new ones this time because we got so many duplicates the last time.
More Stitch. More Stitch. She needs a house just for Stitch.
Yeah, because he won't fit in my Barbie dream house.
More Stitch. And, oh wait.
More Stitch.
Hopefully these are different. And, oh, here he is with Scrum.
It's more Stitch. It's a bigger version of this one.
Oh, Lord. Like I said, she needs a room that she can just call the Stitch room.
Uh-huh.
In her own house.
And it's Stitch dressed as a blueberry muffin.
Oh, Lord.
Because why not? All right, Mama, you ready to? There's
One
more
more.
in here?
Is this the same?
No, that's
Surfing
different.
Stitch with stainless
Oh, that's a
steel.
tea infuser. We'll show everybody afterwards.
I need to open that right now.
Yeah.
Because it's something different.
Yeah, please hold.
Stitch is surfing, so we want to just, okay, so there it is. The T-ball is hanging from the bottom of his surfboard.
He's surfing USA. Woo la 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 la.
That's pretty cute.
Are we ready to move on to the next box?
Sure.
Tally ho.
Tally-ho. Hold on, please.
All right, Mom, what's in this box from the Disney store?
Guess what? It's more Stitches. And
This is the Stitch Attack snacks for July. I think that this is number 4 of 9 for Angel.
Angel has
A snow cone. What's the
And
next one?
Stitch has
Also a snow cone.
Oh, okay, so they are matching pair, of course.
Yeah. And what else is in there, lady?
I think that's it.
It shouldn't be. There should be something else.
Oh, okay. And here's all of Rachel's Stitch Attack Snacks pins.
Yeah.
She has a collection.
But Mama, I've got one more bag for you.
Okay.
Yeah. Come sit in your spot.
In my spot?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, Mama, here's the last bag for you.
It's more from Five Below.
Yeah, there's stuff in there from Party City, too.
Okay.
Let's put it all in one bag.
Alrighty. So here's the adorable villains. So these are the black and white ones.
Yes.
So I have them backwards.
That's
There
from
we go.
Party City. We got, just tell us how many I have of those.
1. These are mini peaks. 1, 2, 3,
I think there might only be 3, 4.
4.
All right.
And we also have, here's Pooh.
That's a Pooh series.
There's a Pooh series.
Yes.
There's 2 of those. And, these are series 9
Yes.
mini ones.
Yes, they are. There's more. I think there should be
2.
5 of those, maybe?
Yep. 3. Oops. 4. 5. And you better hide these from your dad.
He's not allowed to open them. I need to try to be on the light side again because last time I opened these, I was on the dark side. So I'm going to try again.
Here you go. Try and see.
Okay. Okay. I'm on the light side or the dark side. Dang it, I'm the dark side again! I can't catch a break. I'm always on the dark side.
She's always on the dark side.
You want an Oreo?
I know your dad will. He's probably over there with his mouth open. He's repairing.
I'm
Doing
on the
electric
dark
work.
side again. I was hoping I could trick the system by getting a second thing of them. But alas.
Go ahead.
Well, everybody, that is everything that we are opening for you today. By the way, just for everybody's reference, this was all purchased a couple of weeks ago over an extended period of time. So let us set it all up in a display for you all. And here is this haul that I've been collecting for a few weeks because I was too lazy to film it. So yes.
And now the boxes are out of my living room. Yay!
Yay. Hey, you get to unbox all these.
It is fun to unbox
Uh-huh.
them.
All right, I'm gonna hide these before Dad eats them all. So say bye to everyone, Mom.
Bye.
Bye.